points. All right, let's get ready for our today's first order. First order for our white Abby. Okay, Abby. There you go. My Abby go for 10 bags, right? 10 bags. And newbie friends also get 2 extra bags. That means we directly open 12 bags. Let's see how many extra bags we can get it. And keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, star get the 5 extra bags, while the rose means 1 extra bags. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so 12 bags right now. Let's see how many extra bags we can get for our Abby. All right, for our Abby. Let's go for the first one. All right. First one right here. Ooh, we got the peacock tail ones. Look at that. It's also the beacon shape ones. Red color for our transparent style of our crackle style right here. That's our very first one. Next one more rose, 1 more extra bag. Yes, first one right here, perfect one. And here goes to our 12mm ones for our crackle style. Purple color crackle, and right here, transparent with the bead caps. Every single one of them, they with elastic wires. It's gonna be very soft and also comfortable when you actually wear them. Okay. And the next one. Oh, the green ones. How about that? It's the green one, even with the moons and also the star danglings. That's perfect. And here goes the butterfly. That butterfly is so gorgeous. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to our Pearlicious for our lucky bag opening. This is a host Ethan here. Okay, this is a host Ethan here. Feel free to drop down a hi down below. Say hi to me. Don't be shy. All right, don't be shy. Next one. Oh, what about this one? Yes, we got dangling of the peach. Oh my God. It's also 12mm for the size of the glass beads as well. Oh, that color is so gorgeous. Okay, next one. Yes, 1 more rose, 1 more extra box. Yes. Oh my God. 2 extra already for our Abby. And look at those danglings. These are perfect. Oh my God. Perfect one. Next one, another rose. There you go. Rose means 1 extra bags, while the star means 5 extra bags. Next one. All right, next one right here. Oh, dangling of the, for our, butterflies right here, and even with the mermaid tails. Look at the mermaid tail, it's so cute. That's today's one of the Hall of Fame. Oh my God, Abby, you are so lucky. All right, you're so lucky. Oh! We have the stars! Oh my God! Star means 5 extra bags! Yes! Right now you got 8 extra already, Abby! Oh my God, congratulations!
Nice.
This one we have the wooden beads. Oh my God, take a look at that. It's the green wooden beads. And also look at the jade green. That's absolutely stunning. I love that. I love that. Alright, next one. Next one, it's our green color ones. So cute. We got the kitties and the pals. Right, kitties and pals. Take a look at that. Those are glass beads. 10mm ones for the size of them. Right, 10mm ones for our, size of the beads right there. Okay, 8 extra already. Next one right here, it's our cookie. It's our cookie. That's another. We got the cookie ones. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. We got the pals and also the kitty ones right here. And look at that. That's absolutely stunning. Okay, that's our absolutely stunning. This is our co-host, right? This is our co-host right there. Yeah, our co-hosts. All right, next one. Next one right here. Ooh, cool. What about the jade kind of ones? And also we have the dangling of the bamboo. If you guys love the gloss piece bracelet, stay with us. It's our lucky bag opening. This is host Ethan here. Okay, after we finish each round, we're gonna go ahead and go for the extra bags for our Abby. Okay, right now we're opening our Abby's order. Okay, Abby's order, and she already got 8 extra bags. Oh my goodness! Don't forget, star means 5 extra bags, while rose means 1 extra bags. Right here, we have dangling of the lotus flower. Oh my God, that cutie pink is so beautiful. Even with the amber color, maroon color. I'm so sorry. There you go. Let's go check it out. All right, let's go check it out. Next one. Oh, it's our royal blue. Take a look at that, the royal blue. Also get the bow tie of the dangling. That's just perfect. Last one for the first round. All right, last one for the first round. Welcome everyone. Welcome to our Prolicious Flower Lucky Bag opening. Okay, one more rose. That means one more extra bags. 9 extra for the first round. Oh my God. And here goes to the dangling of the mermaid tail. That's so cute. Love the rainbow shimmer. All right, so 9 extra. Let's go ahead and grab 9 bags. All right, 9 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 9 bags. There you go. And also, we do need the refill. Okay, refill for that one. That's one. Okay, let's go for the second one. Second round right here. First one right here, we have the dangling of the lotus flower. Thank you so much, my co-hosts. It's also lotus flower. We got a tulip one right here, and also the jade green. Okay, welcome everyone. Welcome to our Prolicious Flower Lucky Bag opening. This is host Ethan here. If you do want to try our lucky bag, join us. All right, star means 5 extra bags. Rose means 1 more extra bags. Oh my God, we've already got 9 extra for our Abby. Okay, for our Abby. Right now we're opening our Abby. If you do want to join us for our lucky bag opening, check our pin comments. All right, check our pin comments. And newbie friends always get 2 extra bags, right? 2 extra bags. This one we have dangling of the bunny. Oh my God, look at the moon though. Also, these flowers, those are the spinners. Very special design. Love the bunny with the moon. Look at this haul, Abby. Oh my God, you're getting a lot of them. Hopefully we can double your order as well. Okay, next one. Oh my God, what about the yellow and also the black color ones? Half style. This one even with the bead caps on it. And also every single one of them, most of them, they have the elastic wire. It's going to be very soft and also comfortable when you actually wear them on your wrists. All right, next one. Okay. Oh yes, new round. We got another rose. That means 1 more extra bags. Ladies and gentlemen, help me type down 1. Sometimes I do miss the counting now. Okay, that's one. We have the long one, but make it 2 layer. Make this one as the bracelet. Let me try this one on. Oh, cool. Love this one. I love the black color though. The black color is so eye-catching. With the blue right here. All right. Next one. Next one, that's our ruby reds. Cool. What about this one? The gorgeous ruby red with the golden spacers, even with the bead caps on it. Oh, wow. This one, we got one of the broken ones. So, I will keep this one as yours, but I will do the replacement. All right? We will never ship it out those bad ones, but I will keep it as your gift as well. All right, a perfect replacement. 1 more rose, 1 more extra bags. There you go. And here goes to one of those simple design. Take a look at that. We got the HK. How many are HK lovers? Elastic wire as well. Perfect one. All right, next one. Next one, another rose. That means another extra bags. That's perfect. All right, that's perfect. Oh my God. Oh, wait, hold on. That's one we have the angel wings. That's perfect, right? Got a half style, transparent crackle. The crackles, those are so shiny. The light reflection is amazing. Next one, 1 more rose again. All right, 1 more rose again. Type down 1 more. There you go. And here goes to our rainbow kind of ones. And here goes to our gorgeous tulip flower right here. Oh my God, that's the rainbow style. Even with the golden spacers right here. Last one for this round. All right, last one for this round. All right, so 1 more rose again. Let's go. This one, we got 5 extra, okay, 5 extra. Rose means 1 more extra bags, while the star means 5 extra bags. Okay, what about the sky blue foot on one side? The other side is the red and black. It's like vampire vibe ones right here. In the middle, we got orange. Perfect. Love it. All right, so 5 extra. Let's go for 5. There you go, 5 extra right here. Okay, welcome everyone. Welcome all our friends. This is the host Ethan here. Okay, simply drop down a hi down below. Okay, I'm really happy to see you guys, and also let's make friends. Okay, let me know where are you from though? Where are you from? Ethan is actually from China. Okay, what about you guys? I used to study in the California in USA like 10 years ago when I was in undergraduate students. Okay, next one. Oh wow, one of those special ones. We got the rainbow iridescent glow on the beads. Wow, that's so eye-catching. Love that. All right, we got the stars right here. Two of the stars for the spacers, and also the mermaid tail. Okay, let's see. Can we get more? Okay, can we get more for our Abby? There's one right here. We got the butterfly. Oh my god, that butterfly is so beautiful. So beautiful. And here goes the bead caps. Okay, bead caps. Next one. Next one. One more else. One more extra back. There you go. Perfect one. And here goes to our... Yes. Look at the two of the bow tie right here on the top, and also the butterfly dangling. Beautiful one with the red color of the glass beads. Next one, thread design adjustable, and one of the special part is the dangling of the butterfly at right here. Okay, at right here on the tree. Oh my god, the flower petal also it's the spinning type ones. Oh my god, look at this hole. Okay, look at this hole. And also another rose. Perfect. Okay, perfect. The jade green with the lotus flower golden ones style. Also the golden spacers with the bead caps. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you do want to play our lucky bag opening, make sure you can check our pin comments. All right, pin comments. Two more right here. All right. Okay, the first one. Oh, it's our dangling of the sun. Look at the red color ones. Oh my god. We got the two crowns right here. That's just perfect. And next one. Yes, last one. We got another rose. That means the one more extra bags. Well, that means one more extra bags. And here goes to our dangling of the mermaid tail. Even got the starfish. Wow. Okay, one more extra. Let me go ahead and grab one more. Wow, one more and one more. That's the best part of our lucky bag. Oh my god. And here goes to our tiger eye ones. Next one. Next one right here. All right, last but not least, you got dangling of the fox. Oh wow, we have the gorgeous, red color of crackle. All right, so that's about it. Showtime. Look at this whole AB. Oh my goodness. Look at this haul. That's all belongs to you. Okay, that's all belongs to you. That's absolutely stunning. Okay, right now we're opening our lucky bag opening for our glass beads. All right, so perfect one, and also AB. Okay, go ahead and take your screenshot. 3, 2, 1, cheese.
Oh my god! Wow!
All right, I will hand it to my co-host to pack it. All right, let's